Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my first class of BAA 1912. Okay, I will give you a briefing about the leveling, process of leveling, which is the project number 3. So I can, let me share you my screen. Okay, I hope you can see my screen now. Okay, this is, okay, can you see this equipment? This is we call it as the leveling instrument. Okay, we call it as leveling instrument, the upper one. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, this is okay, this one we call it as the leveling instrument, and this one, what we call this one?
Tripod, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, that one we call as the tripod. Okay, and then how about this one?
Staff.
Sorry? Okay, that's the leveling staff. Okay, good. Okay, so we need that equipment in order to complete our leveling task. Okay, do you know how to read the staff? How to get the measurement from the staff reading? Okay, let's take a short briefing about this one. Okay, this one dah diajar dalam kelas ke belum? How to read the staff?
Dah, sir.
Dah sir, okay. Kalau dah, so kita, so is 140 means what? 140 means the reading in meter is what?
1.4 meters, sir.
Okay, good. 1.4 meter. Okay, so this is okay. So you in survey later you will have to see through the this one. Okay. Okay. You have to see through your telescope. Okay, about this one. Okay. The telescope just like this one. Okay, let's say it's actually it's black in color in your telescope. So I make it right here, so it will be can be clearly seen. Okay, let's say your telescope is here. Okay, let me group it. Okay, let's say if your telescope go to this reading, so what is the value now? What shall you read inside your, inside your form? The reading shall be
1.395.
Okay, good. 1.395. The unit will be in. The unit shall be
Meter.
okay, good. Thank you. Okay, and how about if is in here? Your reading is here.
$1.385.
Okay, good. And then okay, if it's here, what shall be the reading now?
$1.376.
Okay, are you sure that it's 6? Maybe you can move out here. Okay. 377 or 376. Okay, it's up to you to determine. Okay, 376 or 377. Okay, how about this one?
1.369.
Okay, good. 1.369. Okay, means you already know on how to read. Okay, you should know. Okay, if I give you another example here is I'm so sorry, something wrong with my pen. Okay, something wrong with my pen. This is, let's say this is 170. This is 160. This is 150. Okay. If your crosshair is here, what is the reading now? Anybody?
146.
Sorry, 1.6.
146. 1.46 meter.
1.4. Are you sure? 1.46. Okay, ready for this one? Oh, sorry, it should be 139. Okay, sorry, so it should be 171, right? 169. This should be 169. Okay, this is 169, and this is 168. Okay, this is 167. Okay, what is the reading here now? Okay, what is your reading here? .676.
6.
Okay, good. 1.676. And how about here? If you see through your telescope that your crosshair is located here,
1.695 meter.
okay, 1.695 meter. Another one, what if here?
1.698 meter.
Okay, good. 1.698 meter. Okay, seems that you already master on how to read the leveling stuff. So it's time to do the theoretical. Okay, the theoretically about the leveling is we want to know the reduced level of your site. Okay. Okay, let me clear my slide first. Okay. Okay, let's say this is our okay. Okay, I just found okay. So let's say this is our site. Okay, let me draw this as a okay, elevation view. Okay, and this is your fence holding up leveling stuff here in this point. Okay, this is your fence, and then your another friend is controlling your leveling instrument. Okay, and this is your leveling instrument, and your friend maybe here. Okay, another friend here, and then we focus the instrument to the stuff here. Okay, this is point number 1, let's say. Okay, what is the reading now? Is it back side or foresight? The first reading.
Backside, sir.
Okay, good. So this reading is the back side. Okay, and then after you finish your reading, you fill the value in the graph, and then this person with the staff shall move to another point here. Okay, your friends here remain constant, and then the new position of your friends with your leveling staff will be here, and okay, holding the staff there. Okay, so no more person here, and then your person is moving. Okay, moving here, and then take a reading. The new position, so your friend, let's say this is position number 2. Okay, so what is the reading here is known as, we declare as what?
S2.
Sorry, we declare the reading as the backside or foresight.
It's
Foresight.
foresight, sir.
Yes, it's foresight. Okay, okay, it's be the foresight. Okay, okay, let's say, okay, then your friend here, your friends holding the stuff should remain here. Okay, let's say we change the position. Okay, this is now this is position number, this is position number 2. Okay, your friend here holding the stuff stay here, the staff must stay there, and then your friend, okay, here. Okay, another one is, then your friend here, and then focus your instrument to the staff on point number 2. Now the new reading is known as, backside or foresight? Your reading now is backside or foresight?
Backside.
Okay, this is the backside for point number 2. Okay, tadi kita ambil dia punya foresight, and then they remain, they maintain, kawan dia pindah position, so dia jadi backside. And then this is another friend. Okay, maybe you need two staff to make your work faster. You make two leveling staff, and then so 2 person will holding it, and then you, okay, after finish the reading and record all the readings, you okay, your friend here, sorry, your friend will move here, okay, and then you will shoot to the new position, okay, which is position number 3, and then what is the reading now? Is,
It's a foresight, sir.
yes, it's foresight. Okay, foresight, backside, foresight, backside, foresight, backside, unless you have intermediate side. Okay, it's okay for your project. We only involve backside and foresight. Okay, so the concept is when, sorry, okay, so the concept is we must move backside and foresight for every point until we back to station, back to point, the original position. Okay, let's say we in our project we have okay, we have to conduct, okay, let's say we have the pentagon. Okay, this is your pentagon of your linear survey and your traversing. Okay, and this is your pentagon line, the traverse line. If you still remember, for station 1 to station 5. Okay, let's say you have, this is your station number 1, station number 2, station number 3, station number 4, and then station number 5. And then let's say you start your leveling here. We call it as what? We call it as the TBM. Okay, the temporary benchmark. Okay, the reduced level is given. Okay, will be given. And then you start your leveling. You put your leveling stuff here, and your instrument will be here. So you look as the, this one is as the what reading?
It's backside reading.
Okay, good. The backside reading, and then your friend is here. It will be, now your reading will be the
Foresight.
yes, good, foresight reading. And then you move your instrument while your stuff is maintained here. Okay, the reading now is
Backside.
okay, good. And then you move your, okay, another friend maybe is waiting here, okay, with your stuff, and then the reading here is become, sorry,
Foresight.
Okay. Wow, confused. Sorry. Okay, this is a foresight, and then you move your instrument. Okay, you move your instrument, and then the reading will become the backside. Then you enter your first point of your, okay, this is, then we name it as the change point. Okay, CP1, change point 1. This one is the change point number 2, and this is the change point number 3 in bracket is S1, which is the station number 1. So the reading is become the back foresight or backside.
Foresight, sir.
Okay, good, foresight. And then you move your instrument here, and then the reading is going to be backside. Then you put your instrument here, the reading shall be this is a CP number 4. CP number 4 is S2. Okay, this shall be your foresight, right? And then you move your station, instrument here. Take a look on your as your backside or foresight now.
It's backside, sir.
Okay, good. This one is your backside, and then another one go to number 3. S3 is your foresight, and the process is repeated. Okay, you move the instrument, it become your backside, and then another one is become the foresight. You move again your instrument, become the backside, and then another one become your foresight. Okay, the process is repeated. Okay, foresight and foresight. Okay, backside, and this one is your foresight, and then this is your backside, and then the foresight, until you back to your TBM. Okay, back to your original position. Okay, so this, okay, and then the summation of backside minus summation of foresight shall be, what is the limiting value in the class? What is the limiting value you learn in the class? Shall be 0. Less than or equal to 0.0. 0.02 meter. Okay, this is the limiting value. If the value exceed this one, so you have to repeat all the process again from the TBM, and then you must go to all your stations and then back to TBM, and then you recheck the value. Okay, just like this one. Okay, I'm just summarize of what inside my slide. Okay, so this is on how to set up. Just what I mentioned before. So we start with TBM and we go to all our 5 stations. Okay, this is the back side. The reading is 1.108, and then we move to change point number 1. In case if our change point is invert, okay, let's say that is this one. The stuff reading, the stuff here is okay, the stuff here is inverted, okay, because we want to know the level here. Okay, we want to know the level of this bridge. So kita pegang dia secara terbalik. Kita pegang stuff tu secara terbalik, jadi kosong di atas dan bacaan lain tu semua ke bawah. So we put the negative sign, and then we make it as change point number 1 in bracket is invert. We know that this is an invert point. Okay, so the first point here, we focus to the stuff, and then the first reading we shall put it here. This is the first reading, and we mark as the TBM. And then the second reading is the foresight of this invert level. So this is foresight. So make sure you do this. Okay, this is we didn't fill it here. Kita tak isi di sini sebab this point is not for CP. This point is for TBM, right? Okay, it's for TBM. So we didn't put it here. And the reading for TBM is the back side. Okay, bacaan tu adalah bacaan back side. Jadi kita tak letakkan di situ. Dan bacaan kedua adalah foresight. So we isi dalam foresight dan dia adalah untuk CP1. Okay. Okay. Are you still with me, class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
sorry, something happened to my laptop, so I cannot. Okay, I cannot play it. Sorry. Wow, my bad. Okay, I believe you know on how to do this. Okay, how to fill in the table. Okay, let's say this is the this one. This one we move. Okay, I already share with you this slide so you can play around. We move the instrument and then we focus on change point 1. The reading now is the back side. However, the start position is still invert, masih lagi terbalik, so we take it as invert, which is negative 1.220. We put it negative sign, okay, because it's invert reading. And then we focus change point number 2 is normal reading, so we make it positive. Okay, so it's as the CP number 2, and we put the reading here as the foresight. Okay, and then the procedure is repeated. Okay, which the stuff maintained in change point 2, but the leveling instrument move here, and then we take the reading as backside. We put this reading here. Okay, and then we focus on change point number 3, which is S5 here. Change point number 3, and in bracket we fill in as S5, and then the reading is, let's say, 1.236. Okay, 1.236, and then we move. Okay, next slide, we move. Okay, you can see the stuff maintained on change point number 3, but the leveling instrument is moved here, so it's become the back side. And then we also take reading for foresight, where the instrument, where the leveling stuff is hold on change point 4, which is the S1, and then the process continuously up to this level. Okay, we are going back to the TBM. Okay, this one up to finally up to TBM. Okay, this one. Okay, it goes back to TBM as the foresight. Okay, so here we got the reading here, the complete reading. Okay, we start by back side for TBM, and we end up with foresight for the TBM also. Okay, can you help me to check the calculation? I believe that the value I give on the original PowerPoint is wrong. So can you help me? Can somebody help me to use your calculator to check either this value is, what is the value here? Okay, can you help me? I give you 1 minute to use your calculator to calculate what is the summation of BS here. Anybody have the value? Okay, what is the value of backside? Total backside.
I get 10.22.
10.22. Any other value? Minus 1.22 and then plus 1.254 plus 1.385 plus 1.178 plus 1.37. Any other value you got? Please let me know.
No.
Any other value? This one? Sorry? 10 point? Oh, 10.22. Anybody remember? Okay, 10.22. Okay, 1.108. Okay. Yes. Plus 1.245 plus 1.3. Sorry, I cannot hear your your chat, so you can please use your voice. Okay, how about this? How about this column? What is the value?
Ten point 206.
Okay, 10.206. Okay, so what is the difference? 10.22 minus 10.206.
0.014.
0.0114.
4. Yeah.
Okay, so it's still lower than the limit, which is 0.02 meter. So the result is acceptable. Okay. 6 plus. Okay, good. So your reading here, do you know how to settle this one? Okay, what is the value here? Shall be okay, what is the value here?
2.25.
25.
Sorry,
2.252.
2.252. Okay, so we make it as rise because the value is positive. Okay, and then how about here? Negative and then minus
Negative 2.467.
2.467. Okay. Okay, how about this one? Positive or negative? Positive or negative? Rise or fall? The value here.
Rise.
Rise. Okay, what is the value?
0.018.
Okay, good. Okay, how about this one, the third one? The value, what is the value? Is it rise or fall?
It's rise.
Okay, the value?
0.083.
0.083. Okay, how about this one? Rise or fall? Come on, for C5.
Fall.
Fall, okay, good. The value?
It's negative 0.035.
Negative 0.035. Okay. How about this one? CP6. Okay, rise or fall?
Rise.
Okay, the value, what is the value?
0.033.
0.033.
3.
Okay, 0.033. Okay, CP7.
It's fall.
Fall. Okay. What is the value? Negative.
0.134.
0.134.
Yes.
4 or 6. Minus, oh yeah, 4, okay. 1.394. Are you sure the value is here? The negative 0.134, because this one minus this one, right? Oh, 1.1 to 1.120 minus 1.394. Okay, 134. Okay, good. Okay, and this one?
Rise.
Rise. Okay, the value?
0.072.
0.072. Thank you. Okay, and this one?
It's rise.
Rise. Okay, 0. 0.013, right? Okay. And then about the last one? 0.
Rise. 0.179.
179. Okay, good. So, and then you use the value of rise and fall to get the reduced level for every change point back to TBM. Okay, so what is the reduced level for CP1? So it is inverted, so it must be a bit quite higher than the TBM. So you plus with this value, right? Okay, because it's positive, so you plus 25.645 plus 2.252. What is the value?
37.906.
Okay, 37.906. Okay, so it's about 2 meter higher at the upper from the ground. Okay, about here. Okay, it goes down back to the ground.
25.439.
439, and then about here.
25.457.
457. How about here?
25.54.
55.540.
54. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay, this one. Okay, it goes a little down because it's negative. So the value is
25.505.
505. Good. Okay, then this one goes higher, a bit higher. 25.538.
538.
Okay, good. Okay, this one 25.404.
404.
Okay, good. This one
25.476.
476. Okay, how about this one? 25.489.
489.
Okay, good. How about this one? 35.668.
668.
Okay. So the difference between the given value of TBM and the last value of TBM is equal to 0.014, which is still within the limit. So your leveling is okay. Okay. So I will give you your task will be given on Friday. Okay, Friday morning. I will give you group by group. Every group will accept a different layout. Okay, different layout of I will determine the layout will show you the position of TBM, and then the position of CP1, CP2, CP3, the position of station 1 up to station number 5, and then it will go back. Okay, it will give you direction. The direction of the survey will go back to your TBM. Okay, and then you have to determine either it's back side or forward side. Okay, but the reading will be given, okay, either on the layout or on the attachment. So you reading A, reading B, reading C, reading D. So you must refer to the attachment. The reading A to reading E shall be like this one. I will give you a value. I will put the value of here. Okay, so you will determine okay, what is the value of the reading stuff, and then you put the reading inside this table, and then you do the calculation before you can write up your report. Okay, I will give you the task on Friday, and on Monday evening I want you to submit the form only. Okay, because I want to check your progress. I want all of you to every group must submit your form of leveling, because I want to check your progress, either it's okay or not, and then you must write up your report, and then you submit. Okay, that's all for this class. Thank you very much for your attention. Any question?
Sir,
Yes,
kita ada midterm ke?
midterm. You want the midterm?
Tak tanya je.
No, we don't have midterm in this subject, but we have by the end of the semester we shall have, let's say, presentations or a simple examination on how to set up the instrument, on how to ready like this one. Like this one, maybe I will ask you on what is the reading here. Okay, maybe one by one. What is the reading here? What is the reading here? So you must master. Okay, what is the reading here? What is the reading here? So you must know. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.